In this tutorial you will learn how to add an injured person to an event. If you have selected an event where a person has been injured, once the event has been added, the injured persons page will appear. If you have not added the injured person this way, you can soon add them from the event summary page by clicking the injured person Add New. On the injured persons page you will need to fill in every field that is mandatory, including name of the person injured, which you will select from the people list, injury types and part of body, for example, consequence, and description where you can use free text to describe what actually happened. If the injury was significant and was notifiable, you would tick the box for a notifiable injury. If the injury was not an injury but a disease, choose from the disease box. And if you are using the injury status option, you can also choose from this list. As a manager, you may choose to fill in more detail about the injury or the situation, including the shift that the person was on at the time of the injury, number of hours into their shift that they were when the injury occurred, what caused the injury in a general sense, and how that caused the injury. At this point you could just submit the injury page, or if you are filling an injury page in retrospect or coming back to edit, you may wish to change the injury management details. As a manager you can indicate such things as days lost, duties were returned to in full or part, if there was any ACC information, and any details about the injury that you might like to record. Once completed, then you can press Submit at the bottom. If you are a manager, you can return to the injured person detail by going to the summary page and choosing the down arrow and then clicking on the Edit button. If you would like to add a second person who was injured, you can click the plus sign and complete the details in the same way. If you are a manager, you may also be able to see any details of any injured persons by clicking the Events module, Injured People. In this display you can see a list of all people that have been injured that you have got visibility of. Click the event number at the side, you'll go to the injured persons page via the event summary page.